So you may be a people pleaser because you would rather understand first. You may be a people pleaser because you accommodate. So you are being tagged as people pleaser. So I think we have to put people pleaser in the right context. So there's nothing wrong with it. But when is it not so applicable? If it is already impacting on your own values, if it is losing your own credibility as a leader because you are pleasing some other people up there. So you're losing your own leadership identity, you're losing your own leadership brand simply because you needed to please. That's a situation wherein the talent or the leader will have to rethink. Am I on the right path of being an authentic leader? Ito ba yung gusto ko bilang leader?